We've got something absolutely amazing right here. A device that's been making waves across the tech world. I believe this is going to be a game changer for all the tech enthusiasts out there. Yes, you guessed it. We're unboxing the brand new Xiaomi Mix Fold 4. And let me tell you, this is not just any foldable. Xiaomi has really stepped up their game this time. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. First, just look at this packaging. Sleek, minimalistic, and it just screams premium, doesn't it? Xiaomi's gone with a black matte finish on the box, with that bold Mix Fold 4 logo right in the center. I believe packaging like this really sets the tone, making you feel like you're about to unbox something truly special. Okay, so we've got the usual suspects: a fast charging brick, USB-C cable, a SIM ejector tool, and some paperwork that no one really reads but is always good to have. But here's where things get interesting. Xiaomi has included a premium leather case this time. I believe this is a fantastic addition because not only does it protect your device, but it also adds a touch of elegance. I mean, who wouldn't want that? All right, time for the main event. Let's reveal this beauty. Look at that. The Xiaomi Mix Fold 4 in all its glory. I've got to say, the first thing that stands out is this design. It's thinner, lighter, and feels incredibly premium in the hand. I believe Xiaomi has really nailed the design aspect with this one. This is a foldable that doesn't just look good, it feels good too. On the front, we've got a stunning 6.5-inch AMOLED display that's crisp, vibrant, and perfect for daily use, but the magic happens when we unfold it. Let's do that right now. And there it is, a massive 8.1-inch foldable display that's nothing short of mesmerizing. I believe this is where the Mix Fold 4 truly shines. It's like having a tablet that fits right in your pocket. Now let's talk a bit more about the display. Xiaomi has used their new generation flexible AMOLED panel, which I believe offers one of the best viewing experiences you can get on a foldable right now. The colors are punchy, the blacks are deep, and the 120Hz refresh rate just makes everything buttery smooth. Whether you're gaming, watching movies, or just browsing, this display is going to blow you away. Another thing I want to highlight is the hinge. I believe Xiaomi has made some significant improvements here. The hinge feels more robust and more refined, and it just snaps into place with such a satisfying click. Plus, they've managed to reduce the crease in the screen, which was a major issue with previous foldables. You can still see it, of course, but it's way less noticeable, and it doesn't take away from the overall experience. Now, let's flip this over and talk about the cameras. Xiaomi has packed in a triple camera setup here. A 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide, and an 8MP telephoto. I believe this camera system is going to deliver some outstanding results, especially with the AI enhancements Xiaomi is known for. We'll do a full camera test in a future video, but from what I've seen so far, the Mix Fold 4 can hold its own against some of the best out there. Under the hood, we've got the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, 12 gigabytes of RAM, and up to 1 terabyte of storage. I believe this is more than enough power to handle anything you throw at it, from heavy multitasking to the most demanding games. And with Xiaomi's MIUI Fold OS, everything is optimized to make the most of this unique form factor. It's smooth, responsive, and just a joy to use. Battery life is always a concern with foldables, but Xiaomi has packed a 5000 mAh battery in here, which I believe should easily get you through a day of heavy use. And if you do run low, the 67W fast charging will get you back up and running in no time. We'll see how it holds up in real-world use, but on paper, it's looking pretty solid. So, to wrap things up, I believe the Xiaomi Mix Fold 4 is not just a phone, it's an experience. It's a statement that foldables are here to stay. And Xiaomi is right at the forefront of this new exciting chapter in mobile tech. Whether you're into cutting-edge technology, need a productivity powerhouse, or just want something that looks and feels premium, this device has something for everyone. If you're as excited about the Xiaomi Mix Fold 4 as I am, make sure to smash that like button. Let's chat down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.